The first core idea is that creating interdisciplinary common ground requires integrative thinking. Experts in the field of psychology suggest the human brain processes information integratively. So, instead of reflecting on all the components of our environment, we process the information we perceive as a whole. For example, as you watch this video, you don't study the individual letters of each word, and you don't analyze each sound you hear. Instead, your brain processes all the information from your senses in a holistic way. It's because of this tendency that we often miss the minute details of our environment, like the reference to the textbook at the bottom of the slide. Finding common ground is like building a bridge to join together two or more disciplines, rather than building walls that divide them. It's about commonalities and inclusion, not differences or exclusion. And as you'll learn in future lectures, it's about helping us understand a phenomenon in a new and more comprehensive way, from multiple perspectives as opposed to just one. Although integrative thinking is natural, many of us learn how to think in disciplinary terms. Let's take a look at 3 ways that modern education teaches children to think in non-integrative ways. First, we learn about disciplinary categories in elementary school. We're taught that knowledge about the world is found in clearly marked boxes or disciplines called math, science, literature, social studies, and so on. Second, we learn that there are right or wrong answers to questions, not that there can be gray areas or unknown answers. And third, we learn to be for or against something. Traditional debates, for instance, reinforce the notion that one idea, one approach is the winner, and all other perspectives should be rejected. What would be more helpful is to teach students how to integrate, how to collect information from multiple perspectives, evaluate it, and create new meaning from what we already know.